Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question. I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get the HTML embed code for your EverWebinar registration? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want the HTML embed code for your EverWebinar registration anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that with EverWebinar, you can actually get the registration form and embed it into your own website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your webinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the HTML embed code, go ahead and access your webinar right here. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left. Make sure you've clicked on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the webinars you've set up in EverWebinar. You can see I just have one. And off to the right, you're going to see your links. Go ahead and click on. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these three options. Make sure you click on attendees. Once you do that, you'll see these three options right here. So you can see it's on link to registration page. So this is just a link that I can share and it brings them to the registration page. But if I want to embed with HTML onto my website, I'm going to click right here, embed in your website. All right. Once you do that, you get to choose what type of embed. So do you just want a button? Do you want the registration bar that shows up here at the bottom of your website? Do you want a registration bubble going to show up at the bottom left of the page? Or do you just want to simply embed the form, which is what I'm going to do? All right. Once you do that, you can go ahead and change the button text. You can see it says register. So maybe we say sign up now or else. Okay, you can change the button color and then apply. All right, now just keep scrolling down and you're going to find the HTML embed code right here. So you're going to go ahead and copy all of this, and then you're basically done inside of your EverWebinar. So now you can go to your website or send this over to your web developer, and they can embed this HTML embed code into your website. And that way, this registration form for your webinar is going to show up on your website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the HTML embed code to your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.